Koh Young Technology was founded in 2002. We created the 3D SPI market with a disruptive 3D measurement technology. Our focus was to deliver trustworthy 3D measurement data because it is the key for process optimization. The market began to recognize this as well, so in 2006, we became the market leader, and today we hold over 50% of the global SPI market. A lot of our SPI users wanted to extend the benefits of 3D measurement to AOI, and over time, this need grew stronger. In 2010, we introduced the world's first 3D measurement-based AOI system, which created an AOI paradigm shift. Although we are a relatively new AOI solution provider, our 3D technology helped us quickly capture the market share majority. And we did not stop there. We believe process optimization is the key to enabling a smart factory. Our 3D SPI and 3D AOI measurement data can be recognized as process data, and our K-Smart server captures all of it. Our customers can optimize their process based on this data. However, this analysis requires process experts, as well as time and effort. In 2016, we established an R&D center in San Diego, California, that is heavily focused on artificial intelligence. Additionally, we have an R&D lab at the State University of New York, which focuses on process optimization projects in collaboration with our Korean and US R&D team. With these efforts, we were able to announce Koh Young Process Optimizer for printer and mounters. Many manufacturers are already benefiting from our innovative automated process optimization solution. Smart factories have been a big topic for a long time. We believe a defect-free product line is the key to achieving this goal. Our vision is to create a defect-free, touchless production line via fully automated process optimization software. We are fulfilling this vision step by step. When you partner with Koh Young, a smart factory is not a dream, it's reality.